right, hello and welcome to this very special broadcast that we're bringing to you live, in fact, from Battleground, Bengal. And the first candidate for the contest in Nandigram has filed her nomination. Trinamool candidate Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, filed her nomination for the constituency of Nandigram earlier today, that high-profile constituency that will go to polls on the 1st of April in a big show of strength. After temple hopping in Nandigram, Mamata Banerjee took a chopper ride, in fact, to Haldia, where she embarked on a massive Padayatra. Kala Hobe chants by supporters, in fact, greeted Mamata Banerjee in Haldia. Mamata, in fact, will contest the Nandigram seat for the first time after her 2011 campaign that brought her to power in the state, centered around the same Nandigram agitation. Mamata Banerjee left her traditional Bhawanipur constituency to contest from Nandigram earlier. She is in fact fighting her former close aide and minister earlier in the Trinamool government, Shubhendu Adhikari, who is now the BJP's candidate for Nandigram. Now, Adhikari is also expected to file his nomination from the seat on March 12th. So that's the big news that we're getting to you at the top of this hour. Mamata Banerjee has in fact filed her nomination from Nandigram seat. My colleague Prema Rajaram is now joining me live from Haldia on this. Prema, a massive show of strength by the Chief Minister of West Bengal, who filed her nomination papers from Nandigram. How confident did she look to you today?
A massive show of strength, like you mentioned, Paulami, and Mamata Banerjee walked her way confidently from this crossing here, and she made her way towards the DM's office, which is about 400 meters away from here, and it was her way of connecting with the people, and the confidence in her walk that she portrayed, in a way saying that this is a new constituency for her. But the fight for her is the same, because every time she fights an election, she fights it with that might, not choosing to show that it is a tougher fight against the BJP this time. But while coming back, on her way back from the DM's office, she chose not to walk but instead left by car. However, she did speak once she left the DM's office, and she said that it is about, it was Nandigram or Singur where she would contest from, but ultimately chose Nandigram, and said that Nandigram is not new to her. But having said that, Shubhendu Adhikari has gone on to say, when he spoke to our colleague Indrajit Kundu, and said that it is not about Mamata Banerjee being from Nandigram, but Mamata Banerjee being as a guest. And that is exactly what Mamata Banerjee, in fact,
he's of course, Prema called Mamata Banerjee an outsider to Nandigram, and Mamata Banerjee hit out at him saying, I'm an outsider. I have been the Chief Minister of Bengal. How can I be the outsider? Prema, thank you so much for joining us. In fact, Mamata Banerjee also made an appeal to the voters of Nandigram to cast their ballot in favor of the Trinamool on the 1st of April. Listen in.
I am contesting this time from Nandigram, and I hope Nandigram people will be very happy এবং they will vote for me. And Nandigramer মা ভাই বোনেরা সবাই মিলে আমাকেই ভোট দেবে তৃণমূল চিহ্নে, এবং মনে রাখবেন আমাদের উইন হবে।
So, if the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, now has a new residence come office space in Nandigram, then Shubhendu Adhikari is also putting his roots down in Nandigram. He, in fact, has inaugurated a new election office in Nandigram earlier today. He, in fact, was in Nandigram, and he is the BJP candidate for the seat of Nandigram. He held a mega Padayatra in Nandigram earlier this morning as he made his way to the party office, the new election office. He performed a puja there, interacted with his co-party workers at the new office. Addressing those party workers, in fact, he said that he has become a voter from Nandigram as well, and he will camp in Nandigram and keep a close eye on the rigging, the alleged rigging of votes. He has also called Mamata Banerjee an outsider, saying that he has returned to Nandigram. She will be returning to Nandigram after 5 years and is just being an opportunist at that. Posters calling Shubhendu's Nandigram's son and Mamata an outsider have been seen across, in fact, Nandigram constituency today. Yesterday, at a rally, Mamata Banerjee, in fact, called the BJP an outsider.
আমি নাকি বাইরের লোক, আমি বাংলার লোক বাইরের লোক হয়ে গেলাম ভাই। Prime Minister outsider. For that reason, people of Nandigram are telling that she is also outside. Nah, it's a political battle. BJP must win this seat with mammoth margin. No, it's obviously it's a colorful fight in between TMC and BJP, but it's not an individual fight. It's a completely political fight against a great opportunist of Bengal.
So clearly, when we thought that the insider versus outsider narrative was something which was being seen as a pan-Bengal narrative set up by the Trinamool Congress, alleging that the BJP was an outsider party and they were insiders, the BJP now has turned it over its head, and Shubhendu Adhikari is now alleging that Mamta Banerjee is an outsider to the constituency of Nandigram. She didn't look at the constituency of Nandigram over the last 5 years, especially also since the agitation that she led in Nandigram in 2007, and only now has she come back in order to contest the elections from Nandigram. He's called her an opportunist and called himself a son of Nandigram's soil. So clearly they've put their roots down in Nandigram right now to prove to the voter that they are invested in Nandigram. In fact, Nandigram forms the backdrop for the 2007 land agitation which catapulted Mamta Banerjee at that point of time to political stardom. She went on to win the 2011 elections, and it was Shubhendu Adhikari who had stood behind her during that agitation as a member of the Trinamool Congress then. Here's a report.
A decade since those heady days when Nandigram shot to prominence, this sleepy hamlet, 130 kilometers from Kolkata, is once again back in the news. But this time, the lines of contentions may not be as well defined as before.
अभी तक डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ। जो हमारा परिवर्तन हुआ था, परिवर्तन का टाइम में हमरा बोला था नौकरी मिल जाएगा, इधर में इंडस्ट्री भी होगा, टूरिज्म शिल्प भी होगा, बहुत आदमी काम करेगा, ट्रांसपोर्ट भी चलेगा, कोई भी नहीं हुआ।
जो हमारा इधर रास्ता बना दिया, वो पहले हमारा लाल मिट्टी का रास्ता था, तो ये लोग सरकार में आने के बाद अभी ढलाई हो गया, कुछ कंक्रीट का बन गया और पिच रोड हो गया। लेकिन
रोड के अलावा मैं सुनना चाहती हूँ और क्या क्या बना है यहाँ पे? स्कूल है?
स्कूल पहले भी था, अभी भी है, तो वो 10वीं क्लास तक था, अभी HS तक हुआ है। थोड़ा पानी का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा है।
गरीबी कितनी मिट्टी है यहाँ पे लास्ट 10 साल में?
ज्यादा नहीं मिट्टी है, क्योंकि इधर वो एक फसली चाष होता है, क्योंकि पानी नहीं मिलने से 2-3 फसली या चाष नहीं होता है।
नौकरियाँ कितनी मिलती है?
इधर ज्यादातर लोग बाहर में रहते हैं, क्योंकि गुजरात में या केरला में
नहीं, नौकरियाँ जीरो।
Purnima's husband was one of the villagers who died during the movement of 2007 that killed 13 others on the same day.
সরকারি কর্মসংস্থান দেবে বলে দিদি ঘোষণা করেছিল যে আমি ওই নন্দীগ্রামের উপর থেকে আজ মুখ্যমন্ত্রী হয়েছি, তার জন্য ওই 42 জন একে কর্মসংস্থান দেবে বলে কথা বলেছিল। কিন্তু যাদেরকে কর্মসংস্থান দিয়েছে, একটা আইসি দিয়েছে রান্না 4 থেকে 5,000 টাকা বেতন, ওই বেতন নিয়ে একটা সংসার চালাও যায় না। ওই টাকা নিয়ে কি হবে? কি হাফ পরিবার আছে যারা এখনো কাজ পায়নি। দিদি এখনো তাহলে আমাদের কথা রাখলো না। বর্তমান প্রথম থেকে 2007 থেকে দাদা আমাদের টুকটাক হলেও পাশে আছে, আর এখন পর্যন্ত আছে।
শুভেন্দুদা?
হ্যাঁ, দাদা যখন বিজেপিতে চলে যায়, তখন দিদি যখন জানতে পারলো দাদা বিজেপিতে তাও এখনো পর্যন্ত দিদি আমাদের কোনো জমা খরচ নেয়নি। শহীদ পরিবাররা কি করছে, কেমন আছে, দিদি এখনো পর্যন্ত দেখেন।
শুভেন্দু অধিকারী যে ফ্রেশটা ছিল আগে।
74-year-old Abdul Dayal Khan and Asha Bibi lost their 15-year-old son to police firing in 2007. They questioned the political integrity of those who had led them then.
শুভেন্দু বাবু হোক, আরও যে কিছু শীর্ষস্থানীয় নেতা আন্দোলনকারীর মধ্যে, তারা যে আন্দোলনটা করছিল মহামাটি মানুষের রক্ষার জন্য, এখন বর্তমান শুভেন্দুবাবু কোথায় গেছে? সে আদর্শচ্যুত হয়ে আমাদের দলের সঙ্গে বেইমানি করে অন্য দলের সে ক্যান্ডিডেট হয়েছে। তখন তার স্লোগান ছিল কি, আজকের স্লোগানটা তার কি, আজকের স্লোগান তখন দলের ভিতরে ঠাকুর দেবতা কিংবা একে নিয়ে এসে শাউটিংয়ে পরিণত করেছে, যেটা জয় শ্রীরাম তার ধর্মীয় একটা হতে পারে, কিন্তু রাজনীতিতে ধর্ম টেনে নিয়ে এসে জয় শ্রীরাম সকলকে বলাতে হবে, তার জন্য আমরা শুভেন্দু অধিকারীর সাথী হব এমন তো কথা না।
খেয়াল রাখতে পারবে মমতা ব্যানার্জি।
শুভেন্দু অধিকারী তো জিতছে এখানে এতদিন দিয়ে।
না, শুভেন্দু অধিকারী আর কোনো খেয়াল রাখবে না। শুভেন্দু অধিকারীকে ওরা আর করিনি।
The issue of land had always been emotive in the politics of West Bengal. Land was the issue around which the Left Front, headed by the CPM, mobilized rural voters and won 7 consecutive elections. The 2007 land agitation in Nandigram was the breakthrough that Mamata Banerjee and her party, the Trinamool Congress, had been waiting for to deliver a final blow to dislodge the left in West Bengal. And now the BJP is using Nandigram and turncoat TMC leader from there, Suvendu Adhikari, to try and weaken the legacy that Mamata is trying to rekindle.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.